My name is Mario Gonçalves. I'm a CAD design team coordinator at Voltalia. And Voltalia is a IPP and EPC company, multinational from France and working globally on all renewable energies, but in my case particularly in the photovoltaic. Okay, so before using PVcase, we were using another software that we tried, but it was not that efficient. It was a short period, short transition. Before using that software or those softwares that we tried, we were using only AutoCAD. So the process would be, me as a CAD designer, I would receive the inputs from the engineering already with the PV module selected, the structure, the configuration, and then I would draw that in AutoCAD manually. There are a few features that are most valuable. I believe that the electrical design and bill of quantities, that it's allowing us to get much more precise data in a fraction of the time, and also the piling information for construction with the coordinates of the piles and then the length of the poles. Yes, I would say those are the two main features. Well, so far I can only say good things, and for me it's one of the things that I value the most, because the PVcase support team is very quick to answer, and generally they solve the problem. And I can also mention that there was a very difficult project some years ago. We were having a very big issue placing the frames because of high slopes. And the support team within a few weeks managed to change the way that the tables are placed in the terrain to overcome that obstacle.